Good morning, one and all. I thank everyone for being here with us today. I'm pleased to welcome students from across the length and breadth of our great nation. I'm Professor Anupam Samantre, your event host and moderator. Let me take you through the process of how we will conduct the webinar today. Our guest will address the batch for 90 minutes. First 80 minutes will be the knowledge sharing session, and last 10 minutes will be the question and answers. Students are encouraged to put relevant questions related to the topic in the chat box. Today's session will be conducted by Mr. Avinash Tiku. Sir is a Program Director, Youth Affairs with the Art of Living. We all know the Art of Living organization has been founded by Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar ji. Mr. Avinash Tiku has been instrumental in guiding many professionals and young minds dealing with mixed emotions and anxiety. Sir has made significant impact through a myriad of programs, teachings, and social service projects across. He has empowered and transformed the lives of many. Our students will definitely get to witness an eye-opener and experiential session today. I now request Sir to take over the session and share his teachings to our young minds. Sir, please.
So, welcome everybody for this little bit chit chat we'll do about our mind. So, I think I can see some names which were present last year. But this is very I will say elaborate topic which I'll be talking upon, mind hacks. So, if you have any idea or you have any kind of an thing in your head that what are you expecting from your session, though maybe then I can channelize towards that side. Otherwise, I will for sure talk what I have to talk. But if you have any kind of an expectation or you're thinking this is going to happen in the session, so you can put it in the chat box. So then we can take the session accordingly. What do you say? So if any one of you have any kind of an, ideas about this session, you want to have it like that, so put your ideas there. So let's see some answers if we get, then otherwise I'll start. Right. So Sandeep is asking, do we have today's session? Yes, Sandeep, we are having today's session. It is on, and I think you're also present on that session. So you're asking a question on the session. Are you from the first year or the second year? Most of you. How to know what the other person thinks in his or her mind? Good, very nice. Tips and tricks to boost the brain. Psychological hacks and importance of subconscious mind. Okay. First year. Okay, good. At least you give me some. So let us understand a very interesting. See, right now is a time where we have really seen in last 1 year that what the mind can do. I mean, we have seen this over a period of our time, entire life. But in this last year, we have really seen how the mind has gone on an absolute roller coaster ride. Yeah. Now let us understand one thing. I will take a very holistic approach about how, as a human being, the purpose can be, and then we'll break it down to smaller parts. What do you say? Is that okay? So one of the very amazing definitions I've heard about a perfect health or a perfect life is from Gurudev Ravi Shankar ji, and he says, a disease-free body, fever-free breath, stress-free mind, inhibition-free intellect, obsession-free memory, ego that includes all, and a soul which is free from sorrow is the birthright of every single citizen. Now, this is a very interesting line. Yeah. Now, the first word is disease-free body. We all want a disease-free body, yes or no? There is no two ways about it. Yes. And especially since last 1 year, we have been very, very, very particular about how we can keep the disease away from our system. Yes or no? Even we have been away from the disease, but still that concern has been very, very high in our system. So first level of our existence is the body. Any difference you have to make, which you can first of all observe and see happens in the body. Yes or no? Do you agree what I'm saying? Anything you do, you use your body. Yeah. Even you are listening to me, even you are sitting here, your body is right there. Your eyes are with me. Now, the interesting part with this body is if you don't put it to use, don't put effort on the level of the body, it will go towards disease. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Now, effort in the body means what? if you don't exercise, if you don't work out, if you don't eat properly, if you don't sleep on time, so what are you doing? You're kind of, see, the age you guys, most of you guys is an age where your body is absolutely robust. There is no two ways about it. Like, I mean, I remember when I was doing engineering, I mean, I used to hardly sleep for a few hours. Sometimes that time used to be early morning. Yeah, eat anything randomly, anytime. But and I used to feel, man, I mean, I'm so, what do you call, active, high on energy, nothing like this. This is not a big deal. But the problem starts happening once you kind of cross that age gap around 33, 34, then suddenly very different, weird, I will say, knocking starts happening, some joints, some muscle. Yeah. So I will say the age you're in, I'm not saying like be absolutely like 100% disciplined, but I'll say just be a little bit aware on the level of the body. First of all, what are you putting in your system? What kind of food are you eating? You must have read a lot of researches. So I'll say be little careful to the food which you're eating. Second thing, the food which you're eating, how are you really putting into your system of the body? So really exercising, and I will say keeping a check, diet is very, very important. And I will say this will go on. What we have seen in last 1.5 years is not going to stop. I think this is in beginning to a very different kind of an setup, which we'll be all experiencing in next many few years. So I will say keeping the body fit and really making sure your immune system is high. Yeah. So doing your research, I will say do a little bit of research that, how can I make my immune system better? What kind of nutrients I need in my body. I was never ever bothered about this, but suddenly in last few months I have been doing a lot of research, and I feel there are not a lot of changes which you need to do, but very basic, simple changes if you can make in your lifestyle, it will really, really give you I will say a long-lasting journey and a much healthier journey. So the first level is body, yeah, and understand the rule of the body is what? Effort. Am I clear? Making some sense? Now, I will switch to the third level, that is our mind. Now it says a stress-free mind. How many of you in this last 1.5, 2 years, you were fine, your family was fine, but still that somewhere that anxiety, oh, my relatives, my family, my uncle, are they okay? They are not okay. That was seeping in. How many of you could feel that in this last 1.5 years? You were fine. You did not get COVID, yeah? But there was a certain amount of uncertainty, whether it was about your career, whether it was the health of family, whether it was about your relationships, your own emotions. Did you feel kind of an topsy-turvy ride happening in last 1.5 years? Yes or no? If you can write yes, it will be nice. Good. Now, did you realize that I think this is a very interesting time to really introspect and kind of ponder upon that, well, I mean, I'm good. I have a good house. The resources are there. Okay, I will get my degree as well. Even if अगर 12th class के बच्चों को पास कर दिया तो हमारी MBA की डिग्री तो मिल जाएंगी. Do you see like things were pretty much sorted, but the uncertainty created a lot of things in the head. And this something is we have to address. Now, being the body also in charge with you, you can work out, you are doing exercise, you're eating good food, but sometimes still the mind is going all over the place. Because a strong body cannot carry a weak mind. But a strong mind can definitely carry a weak body. And if both are strong, it is fantastic. Are you understanding? आप देखो, sometimes everything is like you're superly fit. But if something is not okay on the level of the mind, you suddenly feel weak. Yes or no? हिम्मत ही नहीं होती है कुछ करने की. Why? Because the mind is acting so funny. And this is where we'll address this, Now, what do I mean by stress? Now, what is this definition of stress? Which has become a very, I will say, day-to-day word in our lives. I mean, I hear 7th class के बच्चे भी आजकल सुना है, अरे मेरे को ना बहुत स्ट्रेस हो गया है. 7th class का बच्चा, 6th class का बच्चा, और मुझे स्ट्रेस हो गया है. Because अब कहीं ना कहीं it has become like an, आधे लोगों को प्रॉब्लम है, आधे लोगों को एक बड़ा फैड भी लगता है, यानी मैं एम स्ट्रेस्ड आउट. तो एक बड़ा कूलनेस फैक्टर भी आ गया कि मैं बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हूं. बट अंदर जब बैंड बजती है तो समझ आता है कि इसमें कूलनेस कुछ भी नहीं है. या अच्छा, आधे लोगों ने क्या ऐसा डेफिनेशन ऐसा ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम किया, सम स्ट्रेस इज गुड. नो. अगर स्ट्रेस अच्छा होता हमारे जीवन में तो अफगानिस्तान, इराक, ईरान वुड हैव बीन वेरी प्रॉस्परस कंट्रीज. वहां पे तो स्ट्रेस ही स्ट्रेस है. पाकिस्तान. तो स्ट्रेस जो है ना, उसका एक काम है, उसको हमारे सिस्टम से एलिमिनेट करना आना चाहिए हमारे को. It is like saying, I like garbage in my house. Little bit. I don't like a lot of garbage. घर में कचरा रखना है, थोड़ा रखना है. कचरे का काम क्या होता है? कचरे का काम होता है बाहर जाना, उसको फेंकना बाहर. Same, the role of the stresses. If it is entering our system, we need to have a mechanism how we can really shunt it out of the system. Clear? Are you making sense? अच्छा, कुछ लोग, have you seen some people talk about stress management? Stress management workshops. So I will tell you what is stress management. It is like that garbage in your dustbin. What have you done? You have picked that dustbin garbage, that rotten केले का छिलका. ये सब यहाँ पे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, इसको ना ड्राइंग रूम के डाइनिंग टेबल के बगल में रख देते हैं. अच्छा, यहाँ पे भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा, इसको क्या करते हैं, साइड में टीवी के ऊपर रख देते हैं. अच्छा, इसको थोड़ा सा ना फैन के ऊपर सजा देते. दैट इज स्ट्रेस मैनेजमेंट. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? यू आर जस्ट मैनेजिंग स्ट्रेस. We are talking about eliminating stress, because if you are stress free, you will be astonished the way you can perform mind blowingly. You will be astonished कि यार मैं इतना अच्छा काम कर सकता हूं. Now stress का I will say the root cause क्या है? What is the root cause? If you will go back in your life, I'm saying think about a time when you were like in fourth standard, fifth standard, third. Do you notice that things even they were there but they were not like stressful in your life? होमवर्क करना स्ट्रेस होता था लाइफ में, अरे यार होमवर्क करना है, बट उसके बाद उसका ड्यूरेशन बहुत छोटा होता था, फिर हम वापस अपनी मस्ती में निकल जाते थे. यस और नो? द रीजन वाज बिकॉज अवर माइंड यूज्ड टू बी मोर ऑफन इन दिस मोमेंट राइट हियर. अभी आप देखोगे यहां को छोड़ के हर जगह पे जाता है. You are wanting to listen to me, yeah? You are wanting to listen to me. I said, oh man, this seminar about mind hacks. Let's see what he's going to talking about. बात कर रहे हो, बात सुन रहे हो, कानों में जा रही है, but suddenly ला 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 निकल गए कहीं तो खिड़की से बाहर, किसी के पास, कहीं पे. Do you notice what I'm saying? And this is a very normal scenario in today's life. That retention ability, that ability to grasp and to be there is very very less. 3 से 4 मिनट से ज्यादा किसी का रिटेंशन कैपेसिटी नहीं है आज की डेट में, एवरेज. सुनते हो फिर गायब हो जाते हो. सो द पॉइंट बीइंग, प्लीज कम बैक, या wherever your mind is, bring it here. Yeah, our mind and our thinking is the root cause. Exactly. So this, now why does this happen? Why is this happening? It is because of these two aspects where our mind kind of dwells upon. One past, one future. यहां से जो है ना स्ट्रेस भर भर के आता है. इट इज लाइक एन अनलिमिटेड सोर्स ऑफ स्ट्रेस. पास्ट, फ्यूचर. नहीं मेरा क्या होगा यार, अरे यार घर में अभी हमने कॉलेज तो शुरू कर लिया, इस साल खुलेगा कि नहीं खुलेगा, हमने तो इतनी उम्मीदें लगाई थी कि पिछले साल चलो 12th खत्म हो गया, या ग्रेजुएशन का लास्ट ईयर सेलिब्रेट नहीं कर गया, अब तो एमबीए में करेंगे, तो एमबीए में भी लॉकडाउन लग गया है, अरे यार हमारी लाइफ के 2 साल तो खत्म होगी, मस्ती खत्म होगी. डू यू नोटिस व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? फ्रॉम दैट टू लंच में क्या खाने वाला है, लंच में क्या मिलना है, या अरे उसने मेरे साथ क्या बात की थी. सो दिस जर्नी ऑफ माइंड गोइंग टू अगेन एंड अगेन टू पास्ट फ्यूचर, पास्ट फ्यूचर, पास्ट फ्यूचर, क्रिएट्स stress in our system. Now what, it is okay if it is going on the level of the mind, it's fine. But have you seen sometimes when you are stressful, आपने देखा होगा आपको तुरंत चेहरा देख के कुछ लोगों को समझ आता है कि बहुत टेंस्ड है. Yes or no? Because it makes an impact on the level of the body also. रंग चेंज हो जाता है कभी कभी क्योंकि आपके मन में कुछ चल रहा है. Do you agree what I'm saying? Yeah, thank you. So this, now sometimes the body temperature will increase. You will suddenly feel some tingling sensations in your stomach, some butterflies flying in your. Now what is happening? Thought आया, but उसका impact कहाँ हुआ? Body पे. जिस एज में आप हो उतना फर्क नहीं पता चलेगा, but वो क्या करता है? It is slowly affecting somewhere. And I hope you are pretty aware to the fact that these days 70%, 80% in fact, diseases are psychosomatic. Psychosomatic means what? Mind and body. See, if you get injured, let's say on your elbow, लग गई यहाँ पे, तो डॉक्टर बोलेगा प्लास्टर ला लो, इसको थोड़ी देर ऐसे रखो, कुछ दिनों के बाद, महीने के बाद ठीक हो जाएगा. बॉडी का रिकवरी कभी कभी हो सकता है, बट माइंड के लेवल पे ना कभी कभी और चेंजिंग है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे दवाई लगा सकते हो ना. यू कैन पुट एन ऑइंटमेंट, यू कैन पुट एन plaster, and people can see and people can say, oh, are you feeling the pain? सिंपैथी मिल जाती है थोड़ी. बट जब मन में चलता है ना तो उसकी कोई दवाई है, ना तो उसका कोई प्लास्टर है, और इंटरेस्टिंग बात है, लोगों को भी नहीं पता चलता है. आप अंदर ही अंदर उसको महसूस करते रहते हो. अच्छा, देन द एज यू आर इन, द एज यू गाइज आर इन, मोस्ट ऑफ यू इन योर MBA फर्स्ट ईयर, you must be around 21, 22, 23. That age is an age where you are thinking that I am the most coolest person on this planet Earth, isn't it? मेरे से ज्यादा कूल कोई हो सकता है क्या? तो अगर मैं कूल हूं तो मेरे को परेशानी नहीं हो सकती, और अगर मुझे परेशानी नहीं हो सकती तो मैं किसी को बता भी नहीं सकता ना, क्योंकि मैं तो कूल हूं. एंड दिस इज वेयर इट काइंड ऑफ सीप्स इन. इट सीप्स इन. आपको प्रॉब्लम है, आप मन में बैठ के रखें, नहीं ठीक है, देखते हैं, मैं बताऊंगा नहीं किसी को. पेरेंट्स से तो बता नहीं सकते, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स तो हमारे दुश्मन है. टीचर्स तो हमारे को अनुकूल लगते हैं. बच कौन जाते हैं? आपके वही दोस्त जो उनको सेम चल रहा है. So this is the irony about the generation of, like, you know, I mean, I have also gone through the same. Yeah. Our decision makers are our friends who are equally confused. Do you understand? अरे मेरा ब्रेकअप हुआ, दूसरा बोल रहा है अरे मेरे तो 3 हो चुके, मगर वो फिर भी एडवाइस देगा आपको. उसका खुद का बैंड बजा हुआ है, मगर क्यों? अब मेरे से एडवाइस मांगी तो मैं दूंगा. So this, I will say, so this thing, when you keep it inside, this mind keeps on running here and there, it affects the body. And then some very uncanny diseases come up. समझ ही नहीं आता ऐसा कैसे हो गया, अरे कैंसर हो गया, क्यों? मैंने तो कुछ भी नहीं किया, मैं तो ना, क्यों? Because the lifestyle, because the mind was into picture, there was a stress which was peeping in. So unfortunately, I really feel sad for this, that, you know, we are not even taught to handle our mind. Nowhere, none in our, neither in a school nor college, nobody tells us that how do I handle my mind. So are you understanding? So stress-free mind is very, very important. Making some sense? Yes, no? Yes, some yeses can I get? Yes, समझ आता तो लगता है लोग सुन रहे, मतलब हाँ ठीक है बैठे हुए सामने स्क्रीन के उस तरफ. So this is the mind. Okay, now if the mind is, so we have understood that the problem is, so the root cause is what? Past and future. Clear? So okay, can you, let's play a small quick game. Okay, let's play a small quick game. So I'll give you a time of 20 seconds. 20 seconds, I'll put the timer on, and in 20 seconds what you need to do is you have to snap. Chutki bajani, chutki. Okay, and let's see who snaps the maximum. Okay, and then I want your numbers in the chat box. Okay, 1, 2, 20 seconds. Let's see who snaps the maximum. 1, 2, 3, start. Last 5 seconds. Come on. Okay, stop. Fantastic. So can I hear your numbers? How many snaps did you do in your 20 seconds? Now अभी सच में पता चलेगा कौन सुन रहा है टॉक को अच्छे से. Okay, let's hear your comments. How many times कुछ लोग भूल गए कि आप दोनों हाथों का भी यूज कर सकते थे. Just to give you an 56, 64, 54, 64, 61, 65. कितने लोगों ने दोनों हाथों का यूज किया, क्योंकि 2 बार ही काउंट हो जाएगा ना. 55, 65, 65, 66, 50. Okay, good, pretty good. 61, 60 मतलब एवरेज है. 60, 61, 64, 55. Okay, good. Thank you so much. Like I can see my face on the screen. I hope that you can see your face on your screen, if that is a scenario. But do you realize that while you were doing this very funny, simple, stupid activity, did you even realize that you had a small smile on your face? अरे ऐसा हुआ कुछ लोगों के साथ, that you were like, थोड़ी सी चेहरे पे मुस्कान आई कुछ लोगों के साथ. हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? Also, you would have observed that while you were doing this, no, वो पास्ट और फ्यूचर गायब हो गया. मेरा असाइनमेंट, मेरा खाना, मेरा डिनर, मेरा बॉयफ्रेंड, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड, मेरा कुत्ता, मेरे को बाहर जाना है, मेरे को खाना खाने जाना है, सब गायब हो गया. यू आर लाइक, अरे फटाफट चुटकी बजाओ. डिड दैट हैपन? यस, नो? Isn't it? Yes. Now, if you will just become aware to this simple, funny technique which we did, what did we do? We were snapping, and our mind was just right here. It was not going to the past, it was not going to the present. But क्या हम इसको हर दिन अपने रूटीन में ला सकते हैं? Suppose you have an interview for your placement, and Facebook or Microsoft or Apple has come, and it's like a dream job. They are paying like 1 crore rupees, and you're like really prepared कि मेरे I will gonna crack this interview, मतलब this will be my dream job. और जैसे अंदर घुसते your mind is all over the place. पूछेंगे क्या नहीं पूछेंगे, मैंने पढ़ाई की है नहीं पूछी है, मैंने किसके बारे में पूछेंगे. Your mind is really running. So now your mind is running. Can you tell your interviewer, excuse me sir, आप एक काम करो, just put a timer for 20 seconds, and then you and me both will snap, and let's see who snaps the maximum. Can you do this? No. अगर आप ऐसा करोगे तो बोलेंगे ठीक है, अच्छा है, बढ़िया. नाउ सो दिस इज नॉट द, आई विल से, एन आइडियल प्रैक्टिस टू पुट दिस इन आवर लाइफ, राइट? कि मन को वापस लाना, चुटकी बजा दो. आपने नोटिस किया होगा, यू हैव बीन टोल्ड अगेन एंड अगेन, गिवन sermons बाय योर पेरेंट्स, बाय योर टीचर्स, मन कहाँ है तुम्हारा भाई? पढ़ रहे हो, मन तो लग नहीं रहा तुम्हारा यहाँ पे. हैव यू हर्ड दिस सेंटेंस? मन कहाँ है? अरे भाई, मन तो मेरा भी नहीं है, मगर आपको आता है क्या मन को वापस लेके आना? फनी बात यह है कि जिसको खुद नहीं पता मन को वापस कैसे लेके आना है, वो एडवाइस करते हैं कि मन को वापस कैसे लाना है. ये प्रॉब्लम है, क्योंकि माइंड को माइंड के लेवल पे कभी भी एड्रेस नहीं किया जा सकता. इट इज रियली रियली टफ टू एड्रेस माइंड ऑन द लेवल ऑफ द माइंड लेवल. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, close your eyes, all of you close your eyes, and I want you to think about, आंखें बंद करके सुनना, think about anything or everything, कुछ भी दुनिया में सुन सकते हो, but don't think of a green monkey. कुछ भी हो जाए, ग्रीन मंकी के बारे में बिल्कुल नहीं सोचना है. मगर उस ग्रीन मंकी ने एक पिंक हैट भी पहनी है, उसके बारे में भी नहीं सोचना है. So don't think about the green monkey wearing a pink hat, and definitely who's not jumping on a tree. कुछ भी सोच लेना, ये मत सोचना. धीरे से आगे खोल सकते हैं आप लोग. क्या सोच रहे थे आपके यहाँ सब लोग? What were you thinking? Can you give me a small answers from your side? That what were you thinking while I was telling you don't throw on the green monkey, pink hat, climbing on a tree? अब देखोगे मंकी आ रहा था, हरा बंदर, पिंक टोपी. Yeah, it's not a trick to imagine this. No, it's not a trick. This is how what we do on the level of the mind. We tell our mind, don't do this, but what is the mind hearing? ये तो करना ही है. You think about, I don't have to think about it. But what are you doing by saying, I don't have to think about it? You're thinking about it. Oh, that person is so useless. I mean, that breakup was horrible. I will never think about this person. But क्या कर रहे हो आप? उसके बारे में सोच रहे हो ना. तो माइंड का रूल बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. माइंड पे आप लड़ नहीं सकते. माइंड के लेवल पे आप उसको बोलोगे ये नहीं करना है, वो बोलेगा मैं करूंगा. क्या? तो इसके लिए हम इसको एड्रेस कैसे करते हैं? इसके लिए हम जाते हैं सेकंड लेवल पे. सेकंड लेवल क्या हमारा? द ब्रेथ, अ क्वेवर फ्री ब्रेथ. आप सब लोग somebody saying I was thinking about my younger brother. Well, I hope to show this screenshot to your younger brother. Yeah. Do you understand what I'm saying? Now why this you have to understand is, number one, because the body which we have, this brilliant, amazing machine which we have got from the creation, is phenomenal. But in this phenomenal machine, the body, there is something called as breath which we neglect. What do you say? आप में से कितने लोगों ने अपनी सांस पे ध्यान दिया था पहले? अभी कोविड की बात मत करना, कोविड में तो सबको अपनी सांस मीटर, सांस से लंबी ले. उससे पहले कब आपने ध्यान दिया था अपनी सांस पे? Were you really sometime aware that how am I breathing? सोचने वाले आप सोचोगे कुछ लोग, हाँ अरे यार हाँ सांस पे तो, because when first time I was introduced this concept of breath, मैंने कहा वो क्या होता है भाई, मैं सांस तो ले ही रहा हूँ, मतलब what do you mean by being aware? तो किसी ने, तुम खुद जान के समझते हो तुमने कितने सांसें ली? तुमने कहा यार वो तो हाँ, at the time of swimming, very good. Or you're running, or you're gymming, or you're working out. Most of us don't even bother about it. Fantastic. Or you have to climb a very tall building, isn't it? Or there's a dog running behind your life. Yeah. Or suddenly, if you have an asthma, yeah, then yeah. So there is an activity which you do, and then you are feeling your breath. Otherwise, if you're not doing your activity, सांस क्या होती है भाई? क्या होता है सांस? I'm really glad at least I'm saying at least people have become aware to their breath because of COVID. At least this is a phenomena. Suddenly people are saying, आपने देखा that video how got so much viral, that lying down on your stomach, yeah, and some different breathings. Yes, it was like all over the place. Now this is an aspect which we neglect, don't pay any heed, but is so vital. अभी मैं आपको बोल रहा हूं इस पे ध्यान दो, क्योंकि एक ऑर्गन ने जो हमारा हाल किया है ना, सडनली लोग बोलते थे ब्रेन ठीक होना चाहिए, हार्ट ठीक होना चाहिए, अभी सडनली सब फोकस आ गया है लंग्स ठीक होने चाहिए भाई। और लंग्स का मेन क्या चीज है? सांस। तो इस पे इसको थोड़ा एड्रेस करते हैं, बिकॉज इफ वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द माइंड, you cannot understand the mind just by paying attention to the mind or reading some books. Mind के बारे में बात है, पढ़ने से नहीं होगा। पढ़ने से एक बहुत ही एक I will say superficial understanding मिलेगी आपको, बट उसका experience कभी नहीं आएगा. So this is where you need to go on the level of the breath. Now why is breath so vital? So vital. First reason, because we are alive because of it, isn't it? First and foremost thing. Just for your and my information, you have been knowing this fact also, that as a human being, we just use around 30 to 40% of our lung capacity. Even the top athletes like level of Djokovic, who can play 6-hour long match in a final in Roland Garros in French Open, their lung capacity is also 80%. अब आप समझो, अगर हम इनपुट ही नहीं दे रहे हैं, इनपुट की कैपेसिटी हमारी कम हो गई, तो क्या होने वाला है? हर चीज में उसका रिफ्लेक्शन आएगा, आपके काम करने की एनर्जी में, आप जैसी चीजों को परसीव करते हो, आपकी प्रोडक्टिविटी में, हर चीज, बिकॉज योर इनपुट इज ओनली लेस। नो 40% ही सांस ले सकते हैं बहुत ज्यादा, बट उसको श्रिंक कर दिया। नाउ इफ ब्रेथ इज नॉट प्रॉपर और यू आर नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन, देन इट विल डू समथिंग फनी, एंड विच वी हैव सीन। तो अभी ब्रेथ का सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट मैं आपको बताता हूं, ये एक बड़ा मैं हर टाइम हर टॉक में बताता हूं, बिकॉज दिस शुड, I will say, become a part of our consciousness. You should be really pondering upon this. As a human being, we eat approximately 2.5 to 3 kgs of food in a day. As an average. आप लोग में से कॉलेज के टाइम पे सब लोग थोड़े चैलेंज भी लगाते हैं कौन कितना जाएगा, बट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बींग्स। फिर कहते हैं in a day we drink around 3 to 5 liters of water in a day. Perfect. वो भी हम करते हैं कभी कभी। You know how much amount of breath do we breathe in a single day? Do you know how many liters of breath goes in and comes out of our system in a day? 12,000 liters of breath. Now if I'll ask you a very simple and a very stupid question, can you survive one day without food? Possible? Yes. One day without water? Definitely yes. One day without breath? Question mark. No, we cannot. Now, out of these three, which one do you neglect the most? खाने, पानी पीने, सांस में से सबसे निग्लेक्टेड कौन सा है? हमारे देश में तो खाना नंबर 1 ही है ना, क्योंकि खाना हमारे पास इतना है. Yes, we have like tons and varieties of food to eat. तो सांस वो बेचारी ऐसा वेटिंग लिस्ट में ही रह जाती है कि मेरा नंबर कब आएगा, मेरे को कोई पूछेगा क्या, क्योंकि हम खाना. यस, नाउ समथिंग विच वी कैन नॉट इवन लिव, फॉरगेट अबाउट अ डे, फॉर इवन फॉर सम मिनट्स, वी रियली पुट इट ऑन द बैक सीट. नॉट इवन द बैक सीट, वो बेचारा ऐसा बोल रहा था थोड़ा तो ध्यान दो मेरा यार. Now this is where we are really not addressing. सो ब्रेथ नाउ, अभी आप बोलोगे इसका, हाँ ठीक है भाई सांस ले अच्छा है, बट उससे आपके माइंड पे क्या फर्क पड़ता है पता है? Like somebody had said, I think ma'am only said, Dr. Poonam ma'am said, when you're even stressed, you could feel a change in your breathing pattern. Yes or no? आप देखो, आपके घर में मम्मी पापा ने आपको बचपन से बोला है गुस्सा मत करो, जेलेसी मत करो, ईर्ष्या मत करो, ग्रीडी मत बनो, बोला है कि नहीं बोला है? सबने सिखाया ना ये, या isn't it? You should not be angry, don't be jealous, don't be greedy, या अच्छी अच्छी सारी चीजें सिखाई है, बट ये सिखाया कि उस टाइम पे मत क्या मत करो। उस टाइम पे क्या हो रहा है, आपको कोई लड़की या लड़का पसंद है, बहुत पसंद है, बट उसको कोई और पसंद है और वो आपको ही आके बता रहा है कि यार मुझे ना वो पसंद है। अब मुझे बताओ, आपको जेलेसी भी होगी, आपको ग्रीड भी होगी, आपको एंगर गुस्सा भी आएगा, बट उस टाइम पे कोई नहीं बताता कि उस टाइम पे क्या करना है। समझ आ रहा है? अब इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये है, द रियल इज breath and emotions are connected. Have you noticed this? If your breath changes when you are angry, जब गुस्सा आता है सांस छोटी तेज हो जाती है. Your breath changes when you are happy, it becomes light. When you are very sad, the breath becomes very deep. और आप देखो ये जो emotions है ना, I mean if you are till 24 of your age, you will see emotions will be playing a very interesting role like a sinusoidal wave. अभी अच्छा लगेगा, थोड़ी देर में अच्छा नहीं लगेगा, जिसको मूड स्विंग्स बोलते हैं, because that is how the mind is funny working. Now if we, and many times this has happened, we have been angry or we have been going through a negative emotion and then we react. Most of the situations we react. गुस्सा आया तो भड़क जाते हैं, later we realize यार उस टाइम पे गुस्सा नहीं करना चाहिए था. Do you realize what I'm saying? But what I'm saying, if you understand the connection between your breath and your emotions, it can add a huge, I will say, control on the way you are handling your emotions. Because breath is what? It's an link between the body and the mind. So what happens after 24? Do we become accustomed or mature? No, 16 to 24 is a time where an emotional, I will say, a development is happening in a human being. उसके बाद फिर थोड़े डीट हो जाते हैं हम. आता है, but इस टाइम पे like there is a time when your body is growing, yeah. There is a time when your brain is growing. In a similar manner, your emotions also grow from 16 to 24. That's fine. So coming back to this, so if you address the breath, and I tell you, you can do this. आपको बोला भी होगा बहुत लोगों ने, अरे गुस्सा आता है ना 1 से 10 तक गिनती कर और सांस पे ध्यान दे. बट उस टाइम पे जब गुस्सा आता है ना, उसका मन करता है उसके मुंह पे मैं मारूंगा कि 1 से 10 तक गिनती कर रहा है. बट इफ यू आर little bit aware and if you can attend to your breath, that okay, if my angry, can I switch my breath willingly, long and deep. आप नोट करोगे, intensity will change because finally emotions और आपका मन आपका है, किसी और का नहीं है. और हम बहुत बारे प्ले अराउंड हो जाते हैं बाकी चीजों और सिचुएशन से. डू यू एग्री व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? और हम बोलते हैं अरे मन यार, मेरा मन है ना तो मेरा कंट्रोल होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए, कि पड़ोसी का होना चाहिए, या मेरे दोस्त का होना चाहिए, या मेरे बॉस का होना चाहिए, या मेरी एक्स गर्लफ्रेंड का होना चाहिए. मेरा मन है, आई शुड बी एबल टू हैंडल इट. यस और नो? दिस इज आई से, इफ यू काइंड ऑफ अटेंड टू द ब्रेथ, इट विल गिव यू एन वे टू काइंड ऑफ टेम योर माइंड. Very, very important. Very, very important. Unfortunately, we don't know even what all the breath can do. Some of you will be engineers, yeah, computer science engineer, even IT. These days, everything is happening on a code, right? You code and suddenly something comes up. Yeah, this is a code. On a code, this webinar is working, yeah? They have put a code, okay? Everything, yeah? So I will say the code for your mind is your breath. If you know that code, you have got the trick and the key to your mind. So we'll do some breathing techniques for sure in some time. Yeah. So this is how we understand so are you understanding? So the breath, the body and the mind, very important to understand because this is the fundamental principle, but unfortunately we don't pay heed to this. Yeah. I'll tell you, I have been practicing pranayam, meditation, breathing since last 14, and many of my friends, colleagues, I'll tell you, it was so surprising that many of my practicing meditators or people who have been breathing, for them, they got through COVID, but the way they could recover was absolutely incredible. Same for me. I got, but nothing. There was no sense of taste which went, there was no fatigue, there was no breathing problem. Obviously, positive came because the virus came in. But I could see a majority of them having this vibe because there was way we could learn how to breathe. और वो अगर आपको आ गया ना करना, आपका माइंड भी आपके पास बहुत रहेगा. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया बॉडी, ब्रेथ, माइंड. अब जो अगला लेवल आता है ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है. इसको बोलते हैं इंटेलेक्ट. इनहिबिशन फ्री इंटेलेक्ट या प्रेजुडिस फ्री इंटेलेक्ट. इसका मतलब क्या है? आपने देखा होगा, हम जब भी, अब मेरी बात आप सुन रहे हो या लिसनिंग टू मी, तो आपके इंटेलेक्ट ने डिसाइड किया है सही है गलत है. ये जो बोल रहा है सही है और कुछ लोग रहे हैं बकवास कर रहा है, चलना क्या है, सांस से क्या हो, सब कुछ होना होगा सांस से, कुछ भी बोल रहे हैं. कुछ लोग रहे हैं हाँ सही बोल रहे हैं. सो डू यू नोटिस दिस यस एंड नो व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू इज द रोल ऑफ इंटेलेक्ट. It is that discriminating power. It is the power which allows you to judge and discriminate and to take decisions. जब भी आप कोई चीज कोई करनी होती है, आपकी बुद्धि आगे बोलती है ये सही है, ये सही नहीं है, ये करना चाहिए, ये करना नहीं चाहिए. Many people must have got this link, right? But 32 people came in. उनके बुद्धि ने बोला चलना देख लेते. कुछ लोगों ने बोला अरे छोड़ना क्या जरूरत है. इधर भी रह के कुछ लोगों की बुद्धि बोला यार ठीक है यार, भी अटेंडेंस चाहिए ना अपने को यार, ऑन रखो देखी जाएगी. सो डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? हाउ दिस इंटेलेक्ट कीप्स प्लेइंग यस नो हाँ ना. बट द चैलेंज ऑल्सो कम्स विद दिस, व्हेन दिस इंटेलेक्ट इज लिटिल स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, इट इज रियली स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, इट ऑल्सो स्टार्ट्स डाउटिंग. उसको शंका भी होती है, होगा कि नहीं होगा पता नहीं, प्लेसमेंट होगी कि नहीं होगी यार, वैसे ही मार्केट खराब चल रहा है, जब अगले साल मेरा खत्म होगा जॉब, प्लेसमेंट होगी कि नहीं होगी. मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का तो हो गया प्लेसमेंट यार, पता नहीं फिर उससे कोई रिलेशनशिप में गड़बड़ तो नहीं जाएगा, उसके पास अच्छी जॉब होगी, मेरे पास नहीं रहेगी. मैंने लोन लेके पढ़ाई चालू की है तो लोन उतरेगा कैसे. डू यू नोटिस व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? डाउट. यस नो यस नो. द प्रॉब्लम इज व्हेन यू आर रियली रियली स्ट्रेस्ड आउट, यू विल, और जनरली एज अडल्ट्स वी डाउट द पॉजिटिव थिंग्स. आपकी कोई तारीफ आके कर देता, बोलता है तू क्या लग रहा है आपको, बोलता है क्या चाहिए तुझे भाई. Somebody says, oh you're adorable, what do you want, are you okay, no you're just kidding me. But somebody says I hate you, you totally instantly believe in it. Do you agree what I'm saying? Intellect. Kids do opposite of this. What do the kids do? Kids, whatever you tell them not to do, they'll ask you questions why, and whatever you tell them do, they will instantly believe. आप अपनी लाइफ में पता है कहाँ पे करते हुए हो? आपने देखा होगा जिन दो लोगों को बहुत प्यार होता है ना, उनकी कॉन्वर्सेशन आप सुनो कभी. मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, तुम्हारे लिए चांद सितारे तोड़ के ले आऊंगा. दूसरा आंसर बोलता है चल ना कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता, तुमने किया ही क्या मेरे लिए. नॉन स्टॉप बेचारे एक दूसरे अपने क्रेडिट डेबिट बैलेंस शीट लेके बैठते हैं. तुमने उस दिन मेरे साथ ये किया था, तुमने नहीं किया था. क्यों? डाउट हो रहा है प्यार पे. नफरत पे कभी डाउट नहीं होता है, कभी डाउट नहीं होता है नफरत पे. कोई आगे बोलता है मैं तेरे से बहुत नफरत करता हूँ, बोलता मुझे पता है मैं तेरे खानदान से नफरत करता हूँ चल. और अगर आप हमारे कंट्री के नॉर्दर्न पार्ट से हो तो आपकी भाषा और मीठी हो जाएगी, है ना. अगर आप पंजाब, हरियाणा, वेस्टर्न यूपी से हो तो आप यू विल हैव सम अमेजिंग वर्ड्स टू डिस्क्राइब एंड एक्सप्रेस योर एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ हेट्रेड. या डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? इवन इन योर लाइफ व्हाट यू कैन डू, जो आप कर सकते हो उस पे डाउट करते हो, और जो नहीं कर सकते हो उस पे पूरा विश्वास होता है. जब आप क्लास में बैठते हो या कभी बैठे हो या कभी बैठोगे या कभी प्रेजेंटेशन में बैठते हो, कभी ऐसा नहीं बोलते कि यार ये मैं कर दूंगा, आप बोला कोई और करे यार. कभी ये नहीं बोलता आई एम गोना टॉप द यूनिवर्सिटी. बट जब फेल होने वाले होते हो गारंटीड होता है कि ये तो गया, इसका तो कोई भगवान नहीं बचा सकता एग्जाम. So the surety on failure is much higher than the surety on success. Because what do? We doubt our own capabilities. This is what the intellect does. So if you're doubting something, that means there's something right. So go ahead. आप मेरे को डाउट कर रहे हो कि यार ये बात तो अच्छी कर रहे हैं, ऐसे क्या डिजाइन वाला कुर्ता पजामा पहन के आ गया, अच्छी तो बात कर रहा है मगर इसको चाहिए क्या? इतनी अच्छी कैसे कोई बात, इतनी अच्छी तो सब नहीं बातें हो सकती ना, क्या डाउट? So this is what the intellect does. Be really, and this is very important for your decision making, because you are studying management and you will be put sometime soon in some decision making positions, and the decisions you will be have to take will be related to a lot of money, a lot of people. So you need to know that, okay, what to believe, what to doubt, what to reject. Yes, and I'll say there are a couple of things. So these are the 4 things we'll handle today, and maybe next seminar we'll take the other 3: the memory, the ego, and the self. But I'll say there are a couple of things which you can, I will say, should be very aware about, that as a manager, what do I need to have? I feel one thing we all should kind of develop is the ability to get an intuitive power. Gut feeling, what do you say? वो होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अगर आपको कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा आपको लॉजिकली नहीं फिट हो रहा है वो, बट आपको लगता नहीं यार ये करना ही है, और आपने कर दिया, लाइक थैंक गॉड मैन आई लिसन टू माय गट. ऐसा हुआ है ना आपके साथ कभी ना कभी? सो दैट इंट्यूटिव पावर, आई विल से दैट यू ऑल शुड डेवलप एज मैनेजर्स, बिकॉज इफ यू कैन काइंड ऑफ अंडरस्टैंड दैट माय इंट्यूटिव पावर इज गोइंग राइट, you have got it. You are above all your peers, and that comes with what we'll do in some time with meditation, with kind of going in. Yeah. So understand that having an intuitive edge is a very amazing way. Also, I will say having an attitude of taking your team members along with you. Yeah. Like, how can I? So there is a 2 type of mentality. One is a mentality which will say, I should just go up. I don't care about others. मेरा बस ग्रोथ होना चाहिए, मेरे नंबर आ जाए भाड़ में की दुनिया, या मेरी प्रमोशन है. But I will say that is a very short-term goal. But smart ones are those who say, okay, I will for sure grow, but how can I make sure my entire team also goes up? How can they come also one step up? If you can have this kind of a mindset, which is a much more broader mindset, I will say, then I'm saying that you will be really, really, really going up the slope of the life and in your career path. So these couple of things will really, really, I will say, this is for your professional life. It will really help you. Yeah. And definitely what I said, belief in yourself. ये सब लोग बोलते हैं ना, अरे हैव ए बिलीफ इन योरसेल्फ, बट मन का काम क्या है? वो इंटेलेक्ट क्या करेगा? बार बार आपको डाउट ही करवाता रहेगा ना, तुम कर सकते हो कि नहीं कर सकते. तुम्हारे से नहीं हो पाएगा भाई, तुम नहीं कर सकते. तो फॉर दीज थिंग्स व्हाट आई हैव सेड टिल नाउ, तो अभी हम थोड़ा इसका प्रैक्टिकल डेमो लेते हैं. ठीक है, क्या करेंगे? व्हाट विल वी डू इज वी विल डू लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्रीदिंग एंड देन वील मेडिटेट. आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन मेडिटेशन? इंटरेस्टेड? यस, नो? So 2-3 rules in meditation. Rule number 1, keep your eyes closed. आपका वीडियो तो ऑफ है ही है, बट वीडियो के पीछे अपनी आंखें भी बंद रखना. ठीक है, आंख खोल के ध्यान करने में टाइम लगता है, अभी आंख बंद करके सीख लेते हैं. ठीक है, so keep your eyes closed, definitely number 1. Second rule क्या है? आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. You have to do absolutely nothing. तो जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूं इंस्ट्रक्शन, just listen and let them come. Don't fight with the instruction. Okay, this is the rule. जो भी आ रहा है, मैंने बोला think of an apple, तो ये मत सोच लग जाना हरा लाल, जो मन में आ रहा है ठीक है. अच्छा ये मत, अच्छा मैंने बोला एप्पल, तो बोलोगे यार ये अभी तो मैंगो का सीजन चल रहा है, एप्पल क्यों बोल रहा है? मेरे मन में तो मैंगो आ रहा है. मैंगो आ रहा है, आने दो, उससे लड़ना मत. अरे यार इसने एप्पल बोला, मैं मैंगो सोच रहा हूँ. सो वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग ऑन द लेवल ऑफ द माइंड, just let it come. Is that okay? So before that, we learn one small breathing technique. It is also on people, if you have just now recovered from COVID, do this little gently, but if you have, this is a very, very good exercise to energize your lungs. But जिनको बहुत मेजर सीवियर, अगर अभी कोई ठीक हुआ है कोविड से, तो आप इसको थोड़ा धीमे से करना, इसको बहुत इंटेंसली नहीं मत करना. बाकी जो लोग ठीक हो चुके हैं या ठीक है, you can do it. So it's called as Bhastrika. It's an instant energizer. What will we do? So ऐसे हम, you'll keep your fists close in front of your shoulders, elbows are gently touching your bodies, and when I'll say breathe in, hands will go up, open your palms. When I'll say breathe out, come down, close your fists. Is it okay? So when I'll say breathe in, up, when I'll say breathe out, down. breathe in, breathe out. Clear? Making sense? Done. ये हम 3 round करेंगे, 15 each, and then I will just guide you into a small meditation. Ready? Eyes closed, everybody, and sit straight with spine erect. If you're having a back rest, bring your back ahead of the rest and make sure your spine is straight. Eyes are closed. Fists are also gently closed in front of your shoulders. Elbows are gently touching your bodies. Just take a normal breath in and breathe out. Now together for this exercise, when I'll say breathe in, hands go up, open the palms. When I'll say breathe out, come down, close your palms. Together, breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, 7. Breathe in, 8. Breathe in, 9. Breathe in, 10. Breathe in, 11. Breathe in, 12. Breathe in, 13. Breathe in, 14. Breathe in, 15, and relax. Palms on your thighs, facing towards the ceiling, head straight. आंखें बंदी रखें, keep your eyes closed and just observe the energy inside your body. Second round, let's take positions. Close loose fists in front of your shoulders. Head up, chin parallel to the floor, elbows touching your bodies. Normal breath in and exhale. Together, breathe in, breathe out. 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 Breathe in, 7. Breathe in, 8. Breathe in, 9. Breathe in, 10. Breathe in, 11. Breathe in, 12. Breathe in, 13. Breathe in, 14. Breathe in, relax. Palms on your thighs facing towards the ceiling. And just feel the observe the flow of energy inside your body. Last round, let's do again. Let's energize our lungs. Close loose fists in front of your shoulders. Normal breath in and exhale. Let's get ready with energy. Breathe in, hands up, breathe out, come down. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Up, down. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, and relax. Keeping your eyes closed, आंखें बंद रखते हुए, you may gently sit easily and comfortably. आराम से बैठ जाएं. If you want, now you can take a back rest. Take a deep breath in and completely breathe out. One more deep breath in. Hold your breath, hold your breath, hold your breath, hold your breath, and breathe out from your mouth. Breathe in again. Hold your breath. सांस को रोक लें. And breathe out from your mouth. मुंह से जाने दें. Now become aware of all the sounds present in the environment. जो कोई भी आवाज वातावरण में हो रही है उसके प्रति सजग हो जाए. The sound of the traffic, birds chirping, sound of the fan or the air conditioner, and the sound of your own breath. अपने सांस की आवाज. Become aware of every single sound. Be in total acceptance of the sound. सारी आवाजों के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Accept all the sounds. सारी आवाजों को स्वीकार कर लें. And be in harmony with your environment. वातावरण के साथ एक लय में आ जाएं. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Let's become aware of our body. अपना ध्यान शरीर पे ले जाएं. Right foot, दाहिना पैर. Right knee, without moving any body parts. बिना शरीर के किसी भी अंग को हिलाते हुए एक एक अंग पे ध्यान ले जाएं. Just take your attention on different body parts. On your knee, right thigh and hip. And relax your whole right leg. पूरी दाहिनी टांग को विश्राम दे. Left foot, बायां पैर. Left knee, बायां घुटना. Left thigh and hip, बाईं जांघा. And relax your whole left leg. पूरी बाईं टांग. Attention on your genitals, on your stomach, पेट पर ध्यान. Relax your stomach. Attention on your chest, छाती पर ध्यान. Attention on your right shoulder and right arm, दाहिना कंधा और दाहिनी बाजू. Left shoulder and left arm, बायां कंधा बाईं बाजू. Relax your shoulders and your arms. Attention on your neck, गले पर ध्यान. Relax your neck. Attention on your face, चेहरे पर ध्यान. Attention on your chin, lips, cheeks, ears, nose, eyes, eyebrows, forehead, and relax your whole face. And take your attention on the top of your head. सर की चोटी में ध्यान ले जाएं. And relax your head. And take your attention on your whole body. अपना ध्यान पूरे शरीर में ले जाएं. And totally relax your whole body. पूरे शरीर को विश्राम देते जाएं. Your body is a precious gift given by the creation to you. Totally accept it. Be in harmony with your body. Breathe in and let go. Become aware of your thoughts. जो भी विचार आ रहे हैं उसके प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Good thoughts or bad thoughts. अच्छे विचार या बुरे विचार. Don't resist any thoughts. किसी भी विचारों को बिल्कुल भी ना रोकें. Be in total acceptance with your thoughts. सारे विचारों को स्वीकार कर लें. Be in total harmony with your thoughts. विचारों के साथ एक लय में आ जाएं. Breathe in and let go. Become aware of your feelings. अपनी भावनाओं के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Pleasant or unpleasant. सुखद भावनाएं या दुखद भावनाएं. Whatever feelings are coming, let them come. किसी भी भावना को बिल्कुल भी न रोकें. And totally accept your feelings. भावनाओं को स्वीकार कर लें. Be in total harmony with your feelings. Breathe in and let go. You are joy. You are peace. आप ही शांति हैं, आप ही आनंद हैं. You are joy. You are peace. आप ही शांति हैं, आप ही आनंद हैं. You are joy. You are peace. आप ही शांति हैं, आप ही आनंद हैं. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Become aware of your feelings. भावनाओं के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. Breathe in and exhale. Become aware of your thoughts. विचारों के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. सांस अंदर और जाने दें. Become aware of your body. शरीर के प्रति सजग हो जाएं. एक गहरी सांस अंदर लें. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Becoming aware of your body and the surroundings. शरीर और वातावरण के प्रति सजग होते हुए. Whenever you feel like, जब भी मन कर रहा हो, धीरे से आंखें खोल सकते हैं. You may slowly and gradually open your eyes. How are you feeling? If you could keep your eyes closed for, you have meditated for almost 15 minutes, 14 and a half. So I want to know, how are you feeling? You can write down in the chat box, how is your mind? How are you feeling? If you have opened your eyes, please share your experience. Write down in the chat box. How was meditation for you? How are you feeling? Relax and fresh. Relax and fresh. Stress-free. Be relaxed. Calm and relaxed. Relax. Your voice is so soothing. Thank you so much. Feeling like I woke up in the morning. Good. Nice. Good. So just see this. Just 1 second. Now there is a background noise. Let's let the truck pass. Okay. So now just this very small thing we did. 15 minutes we kept our eyes closed and basically did nothing, isn't it? And by doing nothing, you can feel so nice. So this, I will say, not even like is a trailer of a meditation. This is a small teaser. But if we can do this, your whole consciousness feels nicer. It feels so amazing. It says, thank you so much, man. You have given me rest. Thank you. तूने मुझे इतने टाइम से काम पे लगा के रखा, अभी थोड़ी शांति दी, है ना? So I will say that, when this entire atmosphere is full of negativity, yeah, I mean, you're hearing somebody is dying, third wave is coming, it's going to affect the kids, some kind of uncertainty, this negativity is coming in. But what you can do to become, अच्छा लोग बोलते हैं पॉजिटिव सोचो. कैसे सोचे पॉजिटिव भाई? सोचने से नहीं होता ना, वो जब तक महसूस नहीं करोगे. Like somebody said, positivity can be felt. Exactly. So when you feel nice, happier, you say, now I'm feeling positive, now I can do something about it. So I feel meditation is one tool and technique which can really make you positive, make you fresh, calm, relaxed, peaceful, and your vibration can really, really, really spread. So while you're meditating, you are being a part of creating positivity back in this planet. Okay, so good. So this, but I'll say this is a very, I will say, kindergarten meditation which you've done. But when you learn some breathing techniques, Sudarshan Kriya, very powerful. It can really, 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 really transform your entire life. So yes, so I'm done from my side of talking. I've spoken a lot. Some of you must be getting bored कि यार बहुत बोल दिया. So it's time for you. If you have any questions, you can ask me for what I have spoken till now. This is Mind Hacks 1.0. Next week we'll do Mind Hacks 2.0.
Students, you can add your questions onto the chat box. Sir will respond to that.
How can we invest in ourselves? It's a very good question. So I feel, see, we have two worlds. One is a world outside, one is a world inside. We now have known how to handle the world outside, you know. उसको कैसे हैंडल करना है थोड़ा बहुत तो आपको आ ही गया ना 20-25 साल में. बट अंदर की दुनिया में थोड़ा गड़बड़ चलता है कभी ना कभी, और अगर उसको संभालना है ना तो मैं बोलूंगा अंदर ही जाना पड़ेगा. तो उसका तरीका क्या, आंख बंद करो. सो व्हेन यू आर मेडिटेटिंग, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? यू आर पुटिंग टाइम फॉर योरसेल्फ, एंड आई थिंक दैट इज अ बिग थिंग. आपको अपने छोड़ के दुनिया में हर एक व्यक्ति के लिए समय. You tell me, no, in your day, when is the time you are really giving to yourself, to your mind, to your body, to your soul, to your, and that is what the meditation does. It takes you to the deepest level of your being. And once you realize that, okay, wow, man, there is such beauty inside of me, and there is so many solutions which are lying inside, then when you come outside, you suddenly feel that it can be easily implemented. Yeah. So I will say meditation, learning meditation. I will say this is a teaser. This is not, this is, yeah. Learn, train. Like, for example, I'm an art trainer. So I teach people Sudarshan Kriya. It's one of the most powerful scientific breathing meditation technique, which has done wonders in millions and millions of lives. So I'll say, learn a technique like that. Yeah. So how to stop the thoughts which are not even related to my life, but still comes to our mind? How to stop them? Diksha, you know, you cannot stop them. Hey. Can you stop any clouds? Can you say, oh, I don't like that cloud? कर सकते हो ऐसा? Can you say that? No. You cannot. How much that cloud you don't like, you cannot say. You can say, okay, well, I hope you will pass sometime. Similar manner. Don't go, remember the rule of the mind. What, on the level of the mind, whatever you say, no, it will be there. So if thoughts are coming, let them come. As such, you don't have any control. Okay? So the rule of the mind, when it coming, let them pass. Don't pay attention because you're giving them heat and they're feeling, वो मेरे को तो यहाँ पे attention मिल रहा है, चलो यहीं पे रुक जाते हैं. आप उनको भाव नहीं दोगे तो आगे चले जाएंगे. ठीक है? So don't go on stopping on your thoughts. Next week I'll show you something very nice and very small demo to what, like exactly what happens, how when thoughts come and we stop them, what happens to the system. I'll show you a small demo next week. Okay? So Diksha, don't stop them, let them come. And welcome them. हाँ, वाह क्या बात है. भाव नहीं दोगे, निकल जाएंगे. Good question. How to handle any kind of pressure? Is there a hack of managing that? See, pressure and capacity. The demand and capacity you must have studied, right? There is a demand, there is a capacity. Now the interesting part is when the demand is higher and the capacity is low, then that is a problem. So we have to understand, it is not about handling pressure. It is about how can I increase my capacity. Pressure उतना ही रहने वाला है कि नहीं? Like if you are given some deadlines, you are given some assignments, you cannot tell them, excuse me, ma'am, can you please reduce them? It is too much. This is too much pressure for me. No. What you will have to do, expand your capacity. Yeah. And that, there are 4 methodologies from where you can expand your, I will say, energy levels or your way you are perceiving things. Number 1, food. Good, healthy food, eating at right times will give you a lot of energy. Number 2, right sleep at right time. 6 to 8 hours of sleep at night will give you a lot of energy. Third, breath. And number 4 is a calm, peaceful, meditative mind. So if you can really understand food, sleep, breath and mind, इन 4 को छोड़ के एनर्जी का कोई मेजर सोर्सेज नहीं है. खाना और सोना तो करते ही हो, अगर आपने 2 और इंजन फिट कर दिए ना अपने सिस्टम में, सांस का और मेडिटेशन का, तो आप सडनली आपकी कैपेसिटी को एनहांस कर लोगे. Yeah, for me, it when I started practicing meditation of art of living and Sudarshan Kriya in my engineering, in my 7th semester engineering, same things I was feeling bogged down upon, suddenly it became cakewalk for me. My grades started increasing. I used to score around 44%. My last semester grades were around 74%. Why? Capacity increased. वो pressure तो same ही था, but मेरा capacity बढ़ गया, मेरा focus change हो गया. I could really tell my mind कि यहाँ से अभी distract नहीं होना है. तो बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स आते हैं, बट द बेसिक फंडामेंटल इज इफ यू आर कीपिंग दीज 4 सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी इन्फ्यूज्ड, नथिंग कैन शेक यू. Okay, suddenly and from an one-liner an essay has come. Not everyone is in meditation or willing to. Not everyone can even meditate for a minute. I have seen people like this. What can be done in such situation? Because meditation is something connecting us from within. So can meditation be taken as first case in such cases? Nidhi, I don't believe. It is like saying मेरे को खाना खाना पसंद नहीं है. खाना पसंद नहीं है मगर खाना तो पड़ेगा ही ना. वैसे ही ध्यान करना अभी तक सीखा नहीं है. यू हैव नॉट लर्नड, बट सीखोगे तो आ जाएगा. अभी क्या आपने पहले से क्या था, कभी सोचा था कि फिलिप कोटलर और कोटलर की बुक्स पढ़ने वाले हो? कभी प्लान किया था बचपन में अगर आपको इतनी मोटी किताब दिखाते कि इतनी किताब पढ़नी है, आपको लगता है तो हो ही नहीं सकता. पढ़ा. तो ये जो है ना, दिस इज एन एब्सोल्युटली एन एब्सोल्युटली आई विल डिस्कार्ड इट बाय सेइंग interest in meditation means what? What do you mean by? I mean, I am saying close your eyes and there is an amazing space inside of you. Why don't you go there? This is an again a very strong prejudiced philosophy. Oh, I don't believe in meditation. What do you mean by I don't believe in meditation? I don't believe in breath. अरे आप किसी चीज पे बिलीव या उस पे इंटरेस्ट या ना इंटरेस्ट तब ला सकते हो जब आपने उसको एक्सपीरियंस किया. मैं आपको बोलूंगा गुलाब जामुन खा के ना बड़ा अच्छा लगता है. अरे मेरे को गुलाब जामुन में विश्वास ही नहीं है. तुमने खाया नहीं? तो वैसा ही है. गड़बड़ क्या होती है? द प्रॉब्लम आई नो वेयर यू कमिंग फ्रॉम, बिकॉज मेनी टाइम्स वी हैव ट्राइड ऑन आवर ओन. खुद ही कुछ हाथ पैर मारा है, कभी कोई यूट्यूब पे चला दिया, कुछ चला दिया और माइंड भागता रहा. यहाँ पे थोड़ा इरिटेशन हुई, मांग भागता, आपको लगा छोड़ यार मेरी बस की बात नहीं है, मैं वो हूं ही नहीं इंसान जो मेडिटेशन कर सकता. आई एम वेरी आउट गोइंग पर्सन. आई एम स्टिल द सेम. So I used to be my cricket captain. I used to be a basketball captain. I used to model for my college. I used to be involved all the fights physical in my college. Yeah. और मुझे मेडिटेशन वो चीज लगती थी जो मुझे लगता था 80 भी नहीं, जब इंसान को जाना होता है ना ऊपर राम राम, तब इंसान को करना चाहिए. And I did my meditation course when I was 24. But it was absolutely effortless and I was a very strong, I will say, non-believer in all these things of spirituality. But I was emotionally blackmailed. I came it and it was the most effortless, easy. I mean, I'm talking about your breath. I mean, अगर बोलोगे अपनी सांस में विश्वास नहीं करता तो क्या कर सकते है कि नहीं? So can meditation? Absolutely. Anybody who's breathing can meditate. This is the, I will say, the qualification of meditation. Yeah. So anybody can learn to meditate, and I'll say you should learn it. You are not tapping into one of the most powerful aspects of your consciousness. I mean, haven't you heard like people, how their lives, how brilliant people, how scientists, how philanthropists, how businessmen, by meditating, their things have changed in their lives. Yeah. Something is there, right? And unfortunate problem is it comes from our land, from India, but West really is taking it like by full on. तो वो समय ना आ जाए कि जब हमारे को बाहर के लोगों से ध्यान सीखना पड़े, है कि नहीं? Your video lectures, I mean, I have my programs, I do art. Sometimes I give sessions like this may come online, but most of which I teach Art of Living programs. So it's a 4-day program, 2 hours every day, and different higher levels of program of Art of Living Foundation. And sometimes I'm invited. I will be putting some of the video lectures on my on YouTube. I have 3 only on YouTube, but some on Instagram like that. So I'll be putting some more. So sir, sometimes eating our favorite food reduces our stress. It's work to reduce stress because we start eating junk, which sometimes it is okay. If it is sometime, it is okay. No issues. This sometime should not become every time. The problem is that कभी कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. किसने रोका है? I mean, I'm such a big foodie. I love eating white sauce pasta, pizza, but that is not every day I'm eating. हफ्ते 10 दिन में एक बारी, कभी कभी हफ्ते में 2 दिन भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. बट उसमें थोड़ा चेक करोगे ना, आई विल से इट इज अ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग इन्वेस्टमेंट की बात है. There are some people who is always there to say that you can't do this or that, even if you know you can do it, and even ignore that. That pitching always keeps moving on our mind. How to overcome that? My dear friend Amit, I will say it, but there are some tailor-made solutions for many situations which we talk about in our art learning program. So if you can take up that, it will give you that particular answer, and also spending time with yourself. हम इतनी जल्दी बाहर की परिस्थितियों से फंस जाते हैं क्योंकि हम अपने अंदर स्थिर नहीं रहते. यू आर नॉट फर्म इनसाइड ऑफ यू, एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू गेट शेकन बाय द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड. तो जितना आप अंदर ठहरे रहोगे ना, द मोर फर्म, मोर काम, मोर सेंटर्ड यू आर फ्रॉम विद हिम, दीज थिंग्स विल जस्ट कम एंड गो. इज मनी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस? नॉट एट ऑल. Absolutely not at all. I mean, come on, we have like so many stories of self-confidence. You must have heard about this guy who became an MP from Odisha. He did his campaigning on a cycle. सुना आपने? ऐसी तो कितनी कहानी है. It is nice to have money, nothing wrong, but it is not the only. I have seen people. I mean, अगर आप देखो ना, आप देखो self-confidence. अगर आप कभी have you been to some, I will say, a slum? Have you seen kids there? The way they are confident about life. देखा आपने बच्चे? कभी आप स्लम में जाओ, ऐसा कोड़ा थोड़ा, यू विल सी द वे दे आर हेड ऑन. कोई डर नहीं उनके जीवन में. तो पैसा जरूरी नहीं है सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस के लिए. पैसा आ जाए, इट्स नाइस सर, फैंटास्टिक. मनी लेस, पॉकेट reduces, not at all, Shubham. It's not at all. I have traveled the world with really, literally, I will say, very less money. Yeah. So this is not the thing. I'm a volunteer with the Art Learning Foundation. I mean, I don't earn a lot of money, but you put me anywhere. I have addressed the Parliament of Massachusetts. I've taught Saina Nehwal. I don't get a lot of money. I get like decent money, but confidence, money are two different aspects. Confidence होगा तो money ला सकते हो. Confidence ही नहीं होगा तो money कहाँ से आएगा?
Sir, thanks a ton. Thanks a ton for such an enlightening session. And I'm sure most of our students, they would have got this art of, enlightening and surely making themselves lighter and feeling much more free and, open-minded. And for sure, they will start exercising and they will start using those techniques. And we are looking forward to the next session, sir. And
sure.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a ton for your session, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Namaskar, sir.
Thank you.
Dear students, you will have to put in the feedback. I have put the link on this. You will have to give a feedback on the same. This will help all of us. Thank you. Thanks a ton for attending the session today. Thank you, everyone.